In this lesson, we're going to draw some different shapes of mouths. So we'll start with maybe a really thin mouth. So do a nice thin mouth up here, and we'll start with a line going across. Again, this is a little bit of expression. Let's make some guidelines. Cutting our mouth in half, so we know where our halfway is. Make this mouth kind of thin. Put a little long area up top here, and I'm just going to go really thin, coming back down, and a slight little smile at the end. Come down, kind of trying to make it balanced both sides, and a slight little smile at the end. Contour should follow the top. Remember, you have two different sides to this top mouth. Then you can put some cross contours in to give the mouth a little bit of form. It's a little bit darker by where it meets the other lip. And then the bottom lip. Kind of dissolves when it gets closer to the end. And again, we're going to put some cross contours in. Create a nice form as it goes all the way to the edge. A little dip on the end, maybe give it a little bit of shading on the end where the dip would come in. Kind of elongated mouth. Let's draw a mouth kind of a little 3/4 and maybe a little bit of teeth this time. So let's start with the upper part of the mouth. I'm going to give it a little dip here. Come down. This is your first half of your mouth, and then since on the 3/4, this side's going to be a little bit longer. Coming out. Again, we want to add some cross contours, give a little bit of form. The mouth's actually going to be opening this time, so we're going to just darken in this area here. Just going to leave room for the teeth. Bottom lip. Remember, 3 parts on that bottom drawing. Some cross contours to give it some form. Kind of indicate the teeth. That would be the mouth from the 3/4 angle. Let's do one, let's try one that's open. So, it's an open mouth. Top of the mouth. It's open, it's going to kind of curve a little bit. Going up. This would be the first side of it. Put a little bit of a indentation here so you can see the difference in the sides of the mouths. And the second side, so it's kind of very open. It's going to curve in, and you're actually going to see part of the inside of the mouth on this one. Add a little bit of a tongue because we're going to see the inside. roll down right into the bottom of the lip. Add some teeth along here. Then we're going to section off the teeth a little bit. Kind of want to make the two large teeth in the middle, so make sure it lines up with the middle of your lips. And this would be dark. If I see the inside of this at all. And as it gets a little closer to this, it's going to lighten up. Do some contours for this part of the lip so you can see it a little better, and it'll make it more three-dimensional. Some bottom teeth, so we'll go on that same arc. Put some bottom teeth in there. Area for the tongue. And some cross contours on the bottom here so we can finish off the side of this lip. Let's quickly do a 3/4 closed. And we'll do this right here. The side lip is going to be a little shorter. The side's going to be a little longer. Bring it down. This is the center of your lip right here. So you have to make sure you have that same dip. So you're showing the two sides of the top lip. Here's the first side of it. Here's the second side. You can shade that a little bit. It's going to come off the side here. And some cross contours to give it some form. And we're going to make this nice and dark underneath, get a nice shadow to it. And that would be the lips from a 3/4 view.